So this is a different sort of video, and I couldn't find a background that was appropriate for this, so I'm just talking. And I don't really know what to say, other than, what I think is should be completely obvious to everybody who's paying attention, which is that the things that are going on in this country and have been going on in this country are just plain wrong and cannot and should not be tolerated. Not just talking about the treatment of individuals or this horrible killing of George Floyd, but the whole system that makes it possible for these things to even happen, and the institutionalization of attitudes that really have no place in civilized society. We need to do better. We need to do something different. And it's really simple, right? We need to treat each other with dignity and respect. We need to care as deeply for each person as we might care for ourselves. We need to, treat people as human beings because we are human beings, and put aside these ridiculous notions of, judging somebody based on how they look or what they sound like when they speak, or their gender or anything else. It's ridiculous, and you kind of expect this in children maybe, but children are actually pretty good about treating people the same, and then somewhere as children become adults, this seems to go away sometimes, and as adults become institutions, this seems to go out the window, and I don't understand that. It's so fundamental and so basic, and in many ways so simple, right? Just treat everybody equally. Treat people with respect, with kindness, with dignity. Take care of one another. And I don't know why we can't do that as a society, but no civilized society can allow the things to happen that have been happening, and have been happening for a very long time, and which most of us never even hear about or see. But some, deal with on a daily basis. And that just can't go on. We've got to do something different. We've got to do better. We have to grow as a society, and we have to do it really quickly because it is so overdue. And I don't have answers for how to do that. But I'm trying to figure out what I can do, I guess, to help. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say.